Hello, I'm Dr. Devyani Barve, and today I want to introduce you to a revolutionary technology in the world of aesthetic medicine, the Embrace RF device by InMode. In today's fast-paced world, most of us are looking for treatments that are safe, painless, non-invasive, and deliver natural results. Embrace RF is designed to do exactly that. There are plenty of radiofrequency technologies available, but this device combines cutting-edge RF technology with specialized probes that allow us to treat different areas of the face and body, giving you results similar to surgery, but without the pain, the scars, or the downtime. Now let me walk you through the different treatments that make Embrace RF so powerful. Starting with BodyTite. Now BodyTite is ideal for larger areas of the body like the abdomen, the arms, thighs, or the flanks. It works by reducing targeted stubborn fat and tightening the skin at the same time. The result is a smoother, more sculpted body contour without risks of traditional surgery or risk of sagging with liposuction. The second is AccuTite. It's the smallest and the most precise probe in the Embrace RF family. It's perfect for delicate areas such as around the eyes, the brows, and smile lines. Think of it as a non-surgical mini lift that restores youthfulness subtly and naturally without scars. The third is FaceTite. Now FaceTite is one of the most popular treatments. It's focused on the jawline and the lower face, targeting areas like the jowls and the double chin, which give away your age. It melts small fat deposits with tightening skin, giving you a naturally defined youthful look without the need for a facelift. The next is NeckTite. NeckTite helps by tightening loose skin and reducing fat deposits under the chin, resulting in a smoother, firmer neck and jawline. It is a safe and effective alternative to surgical facelifts minus the scar. And the last is the gorgeous Morpheus 8. Finally, it is one of the most versatile treatments. It combines microneedling with radiofrequency to stimulate collagen from deep within the skin. It improves skin texture, reduces fine lines, treats acne scars, and tightens loose skin on both the face and the body. It is loved by celebrities worldwide because it delivers that radiant, refreshed look without altering your natural appearance. With Embrace RF and its advanced probes, which are very safe, we can address everything from body contouring to facial tightening, neck rejuvenation, and overall skin improvement. You can always combine the invasive probes with Morpheus for a longer lasting treatment. My vision in introducing this technology was simple: to bring my patients the very best in safe, painless, and effective treatments trusted by people all over the world. If you are someone who wants real results without the fear of surgery, downtime, or scars, Embrace RF could be the perfect choice for you.